Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Windscribe VPN on Firestick in 2025. Guys, this free VPN is awesome for secure streaming or unblocking shows. And I'll also highlight why NordVPN's a fantastic alternative. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Let's get rolling. Fire up your Firestick and head to the Find icon on the home screen. Click the search bar, type Windscribe VPN, and you'll see it under Apps and Games. Select the app, hit download, and let it install. It's quick, usually under a minute. Once done, click Open to launch Windscribe. Inside the app, you'll see a Get Started button. Tap it to create a free account. Just pick a username, set a strong password, and hit Sign Up. It's that simple to get going. Now to connect, tap the big power icon and confirm with OK. Windscribe will hook you up to the fastest server available, and you'll notice your IP address changes on screen, keeping your streaming private. Windscribe's free plan gives you 2 GB of data monthly, but here's how to boost it. Go to the settings icon, tap Account, and add your email address. Check your inbox, verify the email, and bam, you're upgraded to 10 GB monthly for free. Unique tip: in Windscribe's settings, enable Secure Hotspot to share your VPN connection with other devices. Perfect for Firestick streaming parties. While Windscribe's great for free users, NordVPN takes it up a notch. With over 8,000 servers in 126 countries, blazing fast NordLink speeds, and unlimited data, it's ideal for 4K streaming or bypassing geo-blocks on Firestick with top-tier security. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.